Clinical Research, Data Science, Codex with AI. Part 1 Clinical Research, Science that puts patients first. Clinical research is the systematic investigation of how diseases develop, progress, and respond to treatment using human participants as the source of evidence. Without it, the drugs your doctor prescribes would be guesses, not proven therapies. Table 1 Clinical Trial Phases Timeline. Interventional studies. The researcher actively gives participants something, a drug, a device, a behavioral program. The gold standard is the randomized controlled trial, RCT, where participants are randomly assigned to treatment or control groups. Good clinical practice, GCP, is the international ethical standard for designing, conducting, and reporting clinical trials. It ensures participant rights, safety, and data credibility. The SPRINT trial, Systolic Blood Pressure Intervention Trial, funded by the NIH, enrolled over 9,300 participants with high cardiovascular risk. The question, does keeping systolic blood pressure below 120 mmHg reduce heart attacks and strokes more than the standard target? Part 2 Data Science in Clinical Research. A clinical data scientist sits at the intersection of medicine, statistics, and computing. They don't see patients, but their work shapes what clinicians know and do. Electronic health records, ERRs, digitized patient records containing diagnoses, medications, lab values, notes, and imaging reports. ERR data is vast and real-world but messy, incomplete, and collected for clinical care, not research. Data from every patient interaction is structured, analyzed, and published. Each arrow represents quality control steps and regulatory oversight. Table 2 Clinical Data Pipeline. Part 3 Codex and AI Coding Tools in Research. OpenAI Codex is a large language model, LLM, specifically trained to understand and generate computer code. It descends from GPT, the same family behind ChatGPT, fine-tuned on billions of lines of publicly available source code. Clinical researchers and biostatisticians use AI tools to accelerate the most time-consuming parts of the analysis workflow. Table 3 Illustrative Coding Comparison, Task, produce a Kaplan-Meier survival plot in R. Benefits, speed, accessibility, documentation, risks, hallucinations, reproducibility, validation burden, data privacy. Rule of thumb, AI tools generate first drafts, not final answers. The researcher, not the AI, is always accountable. Part 4 Where these three domains intersect. Table 4 How the three domains overlap. 5 Concrete use cases. 1. AI-generated statistical analysis plans. A data scientist uses an LLM to draft R code implementing a Phase 3 trial's pre-specified analysis plan. 2. Error-based cohort identification. 3. Real-time adverse event detection. 4. AI-assisted biomarker discovery. 5. Automated TLF generation for regulatory submissions. Glossary, term with plain language definition. Part 1. Glossary, term with plain language definition. Part 2. Key sources.